Today I am playing a Roblox obby. Well, more specifically, that of. Anyways, let's get right into it. Enough talking and time to play. Hope I'm back and it seems easy enough. I'll easily beat this obby. Let me just. I talked too soon. Anyways, okay. So I can't jump over because I'm bad at. How am I failing at the first stage? Let's go. Boom. Oh, no. Boombai. Boomba, 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 boombai. 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 Boomba. I don't know why I'm saying that. It's just boring. Huh. 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 Okay, let me keep quiet for now. Oh, checkpoint. But let me keep quiet for now. Then I'll check back in with y'all. And this is a time lapse, so if I need to say anything or talk with y'all, me in editing will. Okay, I'm back from the time lapse, and boom. Oh no, oh wait, no, 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 I'm dead. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Dead. Oh, wait, I hacked. I'm a hacker. What's happening? Why am I not getting a checkpoint? Let me guess, it's gonna kill me soon. Oh, so, well, this is easy. Why am I not getting any checkpoints? Well, don't know. I'm just gonna continue. Hello, I'm over here. Hi, Mrs. 11. Whoop. Whoopsie daisy. Yes, let's go. Let's go. I will do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Yeah! The game is cheating. No! I was gonna send me back there. Telling you. I'm dying. I'm dying, but I'm not dead. I think I gotta restart. Whoop. Be back. Oh. I'm back. And turned out I did not have to restart because things showed back up. Oh no. Oh yay. Come on. Come on. I'm jumping. You remind me of J Party. Checkpoint. This seems easy enough. It's just a bunch of monkeys on trees. Boom. My days. Well, let's try that again. And we're up here again. Oh, come on. Yep, I'm dancing. I'm dancing. Skip stage. Did that cost you? Oh, I don't think I can. Boom. No. My goodness, I'm so close. And boom. And flop. I'm too good at this. Of course it is. I'm too good. I'm too good. I am the king of this. I will never fail. No, my least favorite out of all of these. I was told you need to look at the bottom, I think. How am I supposed to know? You need people for this one. Okay. Trust in pink. This is like Squid Game. Let's see. Trust in purple. Yep, and I got there. This seems easy. This is the easiest obby I've ever... If I move, I'm cooked. Oh, never mind. This is the easiest obby I've ever played. Like, literally, so easy. I know. It's taking... Can I have my checkpoint? You know, I'll get that later. I wonder why there are these things on here. Oh, what? Oh, so you're not allowed to touch the yellows, I think. My purple buddy. Let's go. Are you serious right now, bruh? There we go. Yep, and I just won because I'm the best at this game. Oh, yeah. Ah, I don't understand. That was not me. This is easy enough. Let me just put a time lapse. In 3, 2, 1, time lapse. You know, instead of a time... Okay, wait. Stop. Stop the time lapse. Instead of a time lapse here, I want to do a teleportation where I'm at in a few seconds or minutes. I don't know. Well, next teleportation. 3, 2, 1. Wait, stop the teleportation in a bit. I guess that Roblox. Look at the ooze sound. Oh, we added enough of that sound. Whoop. Back to teleportation time. I'm back from teleportation and well, I would show you guys where I last was when I teleported, but it's way back there. So, me actually. Dreamy Kawaii Obby. Nah. Here we go. This is easy. Jumpy jump. Oh, there's a green bean. There we go. There's a pink guy. No. This is why I hate jumping. Especially in Roblox. Okay. Wow. I'm lagging. No. Oh. Oh, wait, no. Oh, yes. Let's go. Anyways, yep, I'm dead. I turned red. Call me Mr. Ketchup. Actually, don't call me Mr. Ketchup, please. Here we go. I've jumped over there. After I jump over there, what we do is we jump there, and we jump there. Are you serious right now, bro? Boom. Oh, this seems easy. You can just jump over like that instead of having to boom. Oh no, wait. What? This game's a cheat. This game's actually a cheat. You know? I was about to say leap of fate, but nope. Somebody at the very end already. Well, this obby ain't that hard, but it's very cheating. Okay, wait, that doesn't make sense. It cheats too much. Is what I'm trying to say. So it's hard to be at the end of the obby, even though the obby ain't that. How did I become an old grandpa? Oh, I'm hurt. Whoop. Now when you touch too many things that can kill you. This is so easy. Oh, stage 25 award. Oh no. Ooh, so it disappears behind you. Let's continue. Let's go. Oh, 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 oh. Yep. Uh-huh. Jump. Yes, leap of fate. And that. Oh, yes. Let's go. Yes. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm hopping. I'm hopping. Oh, yes. I can do this. I'm doing this. Oh, come on. Please wait while the game. Okay, never mind. Continue. Oh, yes. Oh, what? What the pizza? What the pizza? Oh my. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. I have a feeling I might go into a time lapse soon. Oh. What the? What? Anyways. Sure. I did the What? I did the subi on my way down. Let's go. Let's go. Too good. Too good. Oh yes. Oh my Spyro. Oh my Obby. Oh yes. Oh yes. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Hey, Mon. Thanks for giving me the head. Oh no! Wait. Oh yeah. Poker face. Anyways, flame poker face. How did Mon get in front of me? Like, is he an Obby King playing on a PC? Because I think I'm not sure if PC players are better than what you call it, with better than mobile players, but some people say so. So actually, most people say mobile players are better. I don't know why. Because really, everyone, people on PCs would most likely already be at the end. And also, my game is lagging, but don't matter. Oh, black lines, no touchy. Thought it was just that easy. Black line, no touchy. Black line, no touchy. Hey, wait a minute. Something here seems off. I just can't put my tongue on it. What? Oh, black, no touchy. No touching blacks. No touching the black. Yeah. Let me guess, I died. Yep. I hate this game. Roblox, you better, what you call it, remove this game. I died. Yep, told you I turned into a blue guy. And I'm moving. I might go into a time lapse soon, so you know what, let me just go into a time lapse now. And 3, 2, 1. On time lapse time. So I'm just gonna show you where I teleport to when in a few minutes. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Well then, thanks for recording. And if you liked the video, go over to my channel and watch some more. Well, bye guys. See y'all.